Welcome to Sheriff on Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, special events, special features, notices, giveaways, and fun. We're excited. We're super excited. I am so excited. We are going to now be more available to you than we ever were before. Join us as we focus on travel on our Sheri Fun travel feature every week on Power 106. Yes, I did say every week. And yes, I did say Power 106. And yes, it is with Dervan Malcolm. Yep, Dervan Malcolm. So get ready because Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we are taking you to the world and back. Take a listen.
Both sides of the story.
Statistics show that the travel industry is a dynamic U.S. $7 trillion industry. Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, Jamaica's only cruise-savvy company, presents Sheri Fun Travel. Tune into both sides of the story with Dervan Malcolm, Fridays at 4:30 p.m. and fulfill all your travel needs. Sheri Fantastic's highly motivated team will design and bring to life your dream trip. Come do something you've always wanted to do but never thought possible. We give you your own travel specialist and guide you every step of the way, time and time again. Listen to both sides of the story with Dervan Malcolm, Fridays at 4:30 p.m.